Hello Superstar, in this video I'm gonna tell you something. If you get this thing, it's gonna be a game changer for you. It doesn't matter if your personal life or professional life, things will change for you. So I was scrolling through internet and I got my hands on a speech from a person called Sandeep Maheshwari. If you know the person, tap the like button below and let me know. He's a famous speaker in India and he said this. There is a boy in the 12th grade, very bright student, alright, hardworking, bright student, and he made up a plan that he need to get 98% in the exams. So he paints the picture like after I get 98%, I go to this college, I'll make this much money, I'll go to this job, and he paints the picture, the really good thing. So exams came, this boy gave the exams, and when the results came, this boy got 96%, only 2% less than what he aimed for. Do you know what that boy did? The boy committed suicide. And this is not a story that I'm taking from my pocket and sharing with you, it's a real story. And there's only one, there are hundreds more of the same cases of people who committed suicide, and there are thousands of people, students who went through depression, they lose their confidence, they don't want to do it again. There are hundreds, thousands of cases of that. And you know, there are people like my parents cannot afford me a phone to study for my online studies, I'm gonna go some suicide, and they suicide. I cannot play with PUBG, I cannot win in that game, Free Fire, PUBG, I'm gonna do suicide. Why is that? I got 70% in plus to 12th grade, and I'm so happy with that. So why these fucking people, stupid people, commit suicide? So Sandeep gives an example. I don't know if he came up with this thing or he learned from someone else. It's a really good example. So he says, life is a cricket game. I don't know if you like or cricket or not. I don't like it, but I want you to like assume you're playing cricket. So you're the batsman. You're holding a bat in your hand, and you see backside there is no wicket. A wicket keeper, there is no wickets, there is no one in the defense, and you see in the front side there is only a person with a ball, and you see there is no fielders, there is no audience, it's just you and the person with the ball. So the person is life, and the ball that he has in his hand is opportunities. So when the bowler throws the ball at you and you are like pumped up, like I'm gonna give my 100%, I'm gonna hit the ball as fast as I can, and I want it to go out of the ground. So you are all set, like you're standing on the pitch and you're waiting for the person to give to the ball. So when the life throws you opportunity, that's the ball giving you the ball, you swing the bat as hard as you can, but the ball goes back, you missed it. So now what, do you suicide? No, my friend. There is unlimited opportunities around us, but the thing is, we are not trained to see that thing. If you stand on the fucking pitch, there is a second ball coming for you, and the third ball, and the fourth ball, the fifth ball is gonna come again and again and again. Who said you that you are going to get one ball? Life is gonna give you unlimited opportunities, so stay fucking on the pitch. You use one time and then commit suicide, and then what? You won? No, you lost. You lost the game. The winner is the person who comes back to the fucking pitch and waits for the second ball. And you come to the pitch again and the life is going to throw you another opportunity and you swing the bat, but still you missed it. So what? Come back to the fucking pitch. You look for the third ball and the person gives you a ball and life gives you an opportunity, you swing the bat, but you missed. Fourth time, you missed. Fifth time, you missed. But on sixth time, you are like, I'm going to see what failures, I want to learn from the failures, what I did mistake. I'm going to give 100% of my time and I'm going to just figure the shit out of why I'm not hitting the ball. On the sixth ball, when the life gives you an opportunity to throw the ball, you are focused, you are 100% focused, you like, I am going to fuck this ball, and you just hit the bat as fast as you can, and the ball went out of the stadium. You got your first success. But most people, they don't get this thing is, you have to play the game every single day. You have to come to the fucking pitch every single day. It's not like once you missed, you're out and then you commit suicide. That's the wrong way. Don't do that. Life is going to give you unlimited opportunities. So let's say on the sixth ball you hit and the ball went out of the ground. You did a massive success. Then what? Come out of the pitch? No. Stand on that fucking pitch every single day. The ball is going to come every single day. Right? So don't commit suicide. Don't think like, oh my god, I didn't make this thing, I'm gonna lose my confidence. and I'm gonna go alcoholic, like drinking and smoking. Like I'm not gonna do anything different in my life. Don't do that. Even though if you win, even though if you lose, come to the pitch every single day and play the game. Life is gonna give you unlimited opportunities, so one goes, doesn't matter, the second is gonna come. Your job is to come to the pitch every single day and be ready with the bat. That's all it is. When life gives you opportunity, try for it. If you got it, awesome. If you don't got it, it's even more awesome, because maybe God has given, like, planned for you something better than the first one. It's this thing right here. If you train this thing, your life will change completely. So do me one thing. Type me a comment of yes and let me know that you will stand on the fucking pitch every single day with a bat, and whenever life gives you, you're gonna try it. It doesn't matter if you succeed or if you lose. You stand there, you work your butt off, like you put in 100% hard work as much as you can, and if the ball goes, it goes. If you hit the ball, you get success. Doesn't matter. Type a comment below yes and let me know that you will stand on the fucking pitch every single day. So if you haven't yet, make sure to tap the red button below, subscribe and turn on the bells and join our community so you don't miss out on the future stuff. And always remember, life and business, whatever happens, just keep going. I'll see you in the next one.